The Democratic firm Hart Research conducted the American Federation of Teachers Education Survey and found that most battleground voters support the latest Florida education laws enacted by Governor Ron DeSantis. Prior to the specific questions, and without mentioning DeSantis or any other candidate by name, the poll said, quote, "Now you will see some specific things you might learn about a Republican candidate this year. For each one, please indicate whether that position would make you more likely to vote for that candidate, less likely to vote for that candidate, or would not make a difference either way." The survey found more than half of voters are much or somewhat more likely to vote for a candidate that supports legislation that prohibits teaching in kindergarten through third grade about sexual orientation or gender identity. It also found voters are much more or somewhat more likely to vote for a candidate who supports legislation that would ban the teaching of critical race theory or CRT in public schools. Meanwhile, more than half of voters say they are much more or somewhat more likely to support a candidate who believes parents should have more say over what their children learn in school. The survey was conducted between May 21st and May 30th and polled likely voters in Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Michigan, Nevada, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. Back to you.